In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Rook and King chess.com. To begin, you can practice this move by playing against yourself, just as shown in previous tutorials. This makes it easier to focus on the mechanics of the move and understand exactly how it works without worrying about an opponent's moves. Before attempting this move, it's important to understand the most important condition. Both the king and the rook involved in the move must not have moved at any point during the current game. They need to remain in their original starting positions on the board. If either piece has already been moved, this special move will no longer be available with those pieces for the rest of the game. Take a look at your board and make sure both the king and the rook are still in their default positions. Once you've confirmed that requirement has been met, you're ready to perform the move. To make the move, select your king and move it toward the side where the rook is positioned. Depending on the side you choose, this can be either toward the left or toward the right. When you perform the move correctly, something unique will happen. The king and the rook will move at the same time as part of a single action. This is what makes castling one of the most special moves in chess. Normally, players are only allowed to move one piece during a turn. However, castling is the only move in chess where two pieces move simultaneously. As soon as the king is moved correctly toward the rook will automatically reposition itself as part of the move. When you see both pieces move together, you'll know that the castle move has been completed successfully. It's a quick and efficient way to improve your king's safety while also bringing your rook into a more active position on the board. As you can see, the process itself is very simple. The key is making sure that the required conditions are met before you attempt the move. As long as the king and rook have remained in their starting positions throughout the game, Chess.com will allow you to perform the castle move with just a single action. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to switch the rook and king by performing a castle move on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.